Crispy potato wedges recipe. The perfect snack in minutes. Imagine biting into a potato wedge that's crispy on the outside, soft and fluffy on the inside, and bursting with flavor. Sounds tempting, doesn't it? Well, today I'll show you how to make the perfect crispy potato wedges in just minutes. Stick with me, because the secret to achieving that golden crunch will be revealed at the very end. Let's start with the star of the show, potatoes. For the crispiest wedges, choose starchy varieties like russets or Yukon Gold. Their texture is ideal for that satisfying crunch. Gather a few simple ingredients from your pantry. Olive oil, paprika, garlic powder, black pepper, and a pinch of salt. That's all you need to transform these humble potatoes into an irresistible snack. First, wash and scrub your potatoes thoroughly. Don't peel them. The skin is where the magic happens, adding an extra layer of texture and flavor. Slice each potato lengthwise into wedges, making sure they're all about the same size. This step ensures they cook evenly. Now here's where we unlock our first secret. Soak the wedges in cold water for 20 minutes.
Why?
This step removes excess starch, which is the key to getting that perfect crispy exterior. Trust me, this small step makes a huge difference. After soaking, you'll notice the water has turned slightly cloudy. That's the starch coming off. Drain the potatoes and pat them dry with a clean kitchen towel. This is important. Any leftover moisture will prevent them from crisping up in the oven. Place the wedges in a large mixing bowl, drizzle them with olive oil, and get ready to season. In a separate bowl, combine paprika, garlic powder, salt, and a generous crack of black pepper. Mixing the spices beforehand ensures every bite packs a punch of flavor. Sprinkle the spice mix over the wedges and toss them gently, making sure they're evenly coated. Don't be shy with the spices. They're what elevate these wedges from ordinary to extraordinary. Here's an extra tip. Feel free to experiment with your seasonings. Try adding a pinch of cayenne for a kick, or some dried herbs like thyme or rosemary for a savory twist. The possibilities are endless. Now it's time for the next secret. Arrange the wedges on a parchment-lined baking tray with the skin side down. Leave space between each wedge to allow the hot air to circulate, which makes them crispy rather than soggy. Bake them at 425 degrees Fahrenheit for 35 minutes, flipping them halfway through. This ensures that both sides are equally golden and crunchy. While they bake, I've got one final trick to make these wedges absolutely unforgettable. As the timer counts down, let's prepare the finishing touch. When the wedges come out of the oven, hot and golden, sprinkle freshly grated Parmesan cheese over the top. The heat from the wedges will melt the cheese slightly, adding a nutty, savory twist. To elevate the flavor even more, drizzle a bit of melted garlic butter over the wedges right after they come out of the oven. The garlic will infuse into the crispy surface, giving you that extra depth of flavor. This is where the magic happens. Finish with a sprinkle of freshly chopped parsley for a pop of color and freshness. Now it's time for the taste test. Serve these crispy potato wedges with your favorite dips, creamy garlic, spicy chili, or classic ketchup. Dip, bite, and savor the perfect combination of crunch and flavor. Pairing these wedges with a creamy dip creates a contrast that will leave your taste buds dancing with joy. Try them with a tangy ranch dip or even a spicy sriracha mayo for a unique twist. The flavor possibilities are endless. These potato wedges aren't just for snacks, they make a perfect side dish for burgers, grilled meats, or even as a delicious topping for a salad. Get creative and use them as a base for your next meal. And there you have it, a snack so quick and easy, it'll become your go-to for game nights, parties, or even a cozy movie night at home. The secret to crispy perfection lies in the little steps, soaking the potatoes, spacing them out, and adding that final buttery drizzle. If you love this recipe, give this video a thumbs up and share it with your snack-loving friends. Don't forget to subscribe to Fun Food Stories for more irresistible recipes. Until next time, happy cooking!